the Mavic Mini. It's a small but powerful drone weighing just 249 grams, which is about the same weight as an average smartphone. So it's super portable and it's a great addition to any filming kit. The Mavic Mini supports 12 megapixel aerial photos and shoots 2.7K Quad HD videos at 30 frames per second. It also has a 3-axis motorised gimbal to give you great camera stability, resulting in clear, ultra-smooth footage, along with a maximum flight time of 30 minutes. Not bad at all for DJI's smallest, lightest and cheapest drone. It works with the DJI app, which is really easy to use, but it also has a flight tutorial feature to help get you started if you need it. And it's got its own controller, which, as you can see here, holds an Android or iOS smartphone. Due to its compact size, the Mavic Mini tackles drone law changes across the US and UK that state that drones weighing over 250 grams need to be registered with aviation authorities. On the back here is a micro SD card slot. We've also got a micro USB port for charging, and above both of those is the battery flap, all of which is really conveniently located for those of you who need to swap out your storage regularly. The Mavic Mini is a great option for all content creators, whether you're new to the world of drones or you're looking for something small and portable to add to your kit and help take your content to the next level. You can get yours now at scan.co.uk.